What's up, guys? Today we'll be unboxing these very cool Air Jordans, and I just got back from the mall and the Nike store, and let's get into it. Yeah. So let's open it. Let's open this box. Oh, the sticker. Boy, these are some spiffy shoes. Okay, that's shoe number 1. Now shoe number 2. Boy, these look spiffy on me. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's and these things that are in the thing. I have no idea why the heck these brown things, like cardboard things, are in the shoes. Both. There's 2 of them. Both. One in each shoe. But there's one in both of them. Get the sticker. That's good. Alright, guys. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Like boxing stuff. Yeah. So, please like and subscribe. Woo!